Get him, Cheek Cheek.
It's in between Hillsborough.
No, 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 no.
So, did you put our tickets in the raffle?
Yeah, I turned them in on Wednesday. So the raffle is the first.
Oh, it's not this weekend? Oh, bummer. I was waiting to go home with my iPad.
In fact, don't let me forget, we need to fill this out for his pictures tomorrow.
Okay.
There's stuff in here. I'm going to get the $30 package.
Uh-huh.
I think it's about what I got last time. But if you want anything as far as stuff,
Hey, yeah, right.
you can get like just extra stuff like t-shirts and pants.
You better not break that.
Okay.
Why?
Cause no, go ahead and then you can buy us a new one.
I'll probably get this one, MVP package.
The dog's gonna pee on your shoe again.
1 5x7 1 3x5 individual and folded. 8 digital pro cards.
Cheek Cheek.
But if you want
Chick, chick.
anything extra,
Come here, Chick, chick.
you can add on to it.
Hey, yeah, right.
Okay.
Hi, Cheek Cheek.
When
Hi,
would
Cheek
this
Cheek.
stuff come by?
Hey.
I don't think my
Cheek,
tree made
cheek.
it. I'll have to yard that sucker out.
Devil dogs, huh?
Jake picked that name. Did Rylan tell you that?
Yeah.
Yeah. They all put in suggestions, and Jake put in Devil Dogs, and they all voted, and it won.